done with their performance, but the pressure is still on for the next team. Let's take a look at the MLQU Stallions, the SHS Pep Squad, and the PCC Pep Squad.
So, ano yung mga experiences nyo leading up to this day?
Mahirap na mahirap yung sa amin kasi puro tossingin sa amin eh. Sobrang hirap talaga. Ano yun yung pinakabongga sa routine namin?
Because of course we want to get in. Since last year we were first runner-up, of course there's pressure within us.
Goalie.
We just want to do our best and we want to enjoy the whole routine because of course that's the whole point of this is to enjoy.
H S Go fight.
Jay.
Tibay ng stats ha.
Eh, maganda. Nabuo lahat ng pyramid, so I'm proud.
Proud na proud?
Opo, proud na proud. Kasi parang na-enjoy na namin yung sayaw, tsaka energetic naman kami lahat. The high school squads definitely showed their cheer and prowess, but the action isn't over yet as we await the CMIC Fighting Vanguards, the SSA Seagulls, and Quebec. That is after the break.